3.
Hi everyone, thanks for being here, especially to Mr. President Lenin Moreno. My name is Johan Tuarez and my partner is Christopher Alaba. Today we are going to talk about the benefits of 5G networking in different aspects. First aspect, economics. The current implementation of 5G will have an economic impact on all industrial sectors. From the knowledge of the impact of past generation of wireless technologies and the first scale of the enormous opportunities that open up. It's been estimated that the potential multi-sector global activity will allow in 2035 could reach 12.3 million of dollars. This study indicates that the economic impact on the agents directly involved in the value of chains, operators, network manufacturers, components and devices, infrastructure providers, and content and application developers will be 3.5 billion of dollars will contribute to create 22 million of jobs. Second aspect, technical. The coverage and capacity objectives of 5G together with the advanced technology of each antennas involve that the new antennas are likely to be necessary. To the extent possible, network operators will place these antennas in existing locations, but on the other occasion, new sites will have to be used. Current mobile networks are formed by a combination of locations with macrocells that to provide wide area coverage and small cells or microcells that improve coverage and increase capacity in a given location. These are called heterogeneous networks or HECNES. Third aspect is social. In the article, How do new uses of electromagnetic emission effect talk about the possible effect in the social sphere, since 5G technologies comes with the intention of replacing the communication speed currently. Many equipment must be homologated from the factory.
Social. We can see the picture how the network has evolved over the year, but what is the benefit offered by the new year with respect 4G? Low latency is key differentiator between 4G and 5G. Additionally, you will be able to download and upload files quickly and easily. Environment. The big problem regarding the implementation of 5G networks is the electronic waste that it will generate. However, does not represent a problem for one country because it has companies are dedicated to the collection of garbage. For example, Vermont, Graham Recycle, Every Recycle, and others. We can see two pictures. In the first picture, we can find a plant that is growing next to the Wi-Fi signal amplifier. In the second picture, we can find the Faraday cage. All these elements are related to explain how electromagnetic waves affect the plant. According to the investigation of Alvarez and Boruso, determinate that electromagnetic waves do not influence on plant growth, and it was demonstrated through an experiment where the Wi-Fi signal amplifier was placed equidistant from the plant. Inside and outside the Faraday cage. Health aspect. 5G technology propagate through electromagnetic waves, which represent a health risk depending on wavelength and its emission powers. However, the investigation carried out by Rosemary showed the electromagnetic waves only have a small effect on our health that will depend on the distance, exposure, and angle.